Welcome to EZLOADZ. This video is part of a series designed to help dispatchers, owner-operators, and drivers get the most out of the load board. In this section, you will learn how to onboard your company. Setting up your account takes a few quick steps and allows you to manage your business effectively. Start by confirming your DOT number. You can then select your role at your company. Select from owner-operator, company driver, or dispatcher. If you selected owner-operator, company driver, or dispatcher who also drives, you'll now be able to select the equipment types that apply to you. That's it, you are now ready to start finding high-quality loads and keeping your trucks full. Check out our next section about how to search and book the right loads for your business. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and can move ahead confidently within the app. If you have any questions, please contact support or go to our help section in the app.